Hey everyone! Today I'm gonna deviate from my usual technical training session because this time I'll be talking about the topic about what they call the Bilar or Lubok man-made forest in Bohol, which I've experienced myself seeing on a tour in Bohol, Philippines some time ago. The man-made forest is a stretch of 2 kilometers planted mostly with mahogany trees that's situated along the sloping ground across Bilar and Lubok municipalities. Tourists will find this forest along the way going to the Chocolate Hills in Lubok, Bohol. The man-made forest stands out because of the uniformity in height of mostly mahogany trees and the thickness of branches and leaves. Some roots of the mahogany trees protrude from the ground and crawl on some boulders and ground contours. Although the trees are actual trees, this forest was made. They were planted in the land during the time and administration of the late and former President Ferdinand E. Marcos Sr. and former First Lady Imelda Romualdez Marcos. Bilar Man-Made Forest was part of a huge reforestation project that initiated in response or overcoming the alarming deforestation in the Lubbock watershed. The reforestation, that is planting of trees, which happened 50 years ago, and that was 1972. It was created by the local government and implemented by government employees, students, and volunteers. So go visit the Bilar Man-Made Forest and see the beauty of the forest and the trees. They're all green along the stretch of man-made forest heading to the Chocolate Hills. The number one tourist attraction in Bohol are the Chocolate Hills. Here is the Lubok River and the raft, or what they call balsa. The raft is running along the Lubok River, and this is also what they call floating restaurant, where they are accommodating some tourists trying to see the beauty of the watershed, the river of Lubok. Here, we're showing the balsa or the raft.